This is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
What's going on, guys? My buddy sent me this video. One of his drivers had sent it to him. So this happens all the time. People trying to cut in front of us, try to get ahead, block everyone behind them. Now he's gonna get out and be even more inconsiderate. Now the lane that he's in is completely blocked, right? So now every car behind him now has to wait longer because of this guy here. What does he do? He thinks he's in the right and he calls the cops.
All I hear is that tabarnak.
That's you?
Yeah.
Like, what made you pull in like that?
Because area other companies.
No, but why? Why would you pull in like that?
Because this security code and I cannot park in other side. Only here inside this other company.
But what I'm saying is, you see how I'm parked straight? He's straight in the dock. What goes through your head?
I'm waiting this truck. When he going,
So this is how you're not from here?
Sorry?
You're not from here? I guess you're not.
No.
Where are you from?
What is the meaning? What is the meaning? What do you
Where
need?
do you live? Where do you come from?
What is it?
What
you
country?
Need, what you need for me?
Well,
for
I'm just
you?
wondering, is this how they park in your country?
I told you, listen.
I know, but you know, we're
Where I
parked.
can't park. You stay
You
here, I
park.
understand.
You park like I did. You park straight. You know how I was parked, just like I am now. Like that's how we park here in America. Properly.
Where I can
You
park.
back
Not
in right
parking
here.
Not parking here.
Why?
Where parking? Show
You
me.
you can park straight. But look, how are you gonna get out of here?
I'm waiting this truck. When he going, I'm going.
Yeah, but see, I have to back in after he gets loaded.
You next?
Yes.
What?
So how am I gonna back in with you right there? Is there not a lot of room down there?
I'm waiting.
Is there room right here?
Sir,
It doesn't make sense, man.
you
I don't know.
understand?
That's why
I just English. You understand? When I park in there, security coming. Not parking
I
here.
get that. I get that.
It-
That's
I
what
go inside.
that's what
When
he
you
told
stay
me.
Here, I cannot.
But
park here.
the security guard didn't speak English either. But what I'm saying is, you see how I'm parked, right?
Yeah.
I'm ready to pull up so he can pull out. The way you're parked, it's gonna take a day and a half for you to get out of here.
What you want? What you want? You next, I'm next. I'm waiting. 1 hour before. When you come here, I'm waiting here. I'm waiting. When he's going, I'm going back. Return coming back.
Yeah, it's
You understand?
complicated. So I guess this is just how y'all do it in your country? Complicated?
If I
You don't know how to
understand you,
park?
sorry, sir. But
You don't understand me?
yeah, I'm understand. But
You
parking
do,
not,
but
not
you
correct.
just but you
won't
just said
you won't
you
say
just
it's
said
parking not know. I know.
You
I
just-
understand.
you just
I'm
said-
sorry about
Oh,
that.
you understand?
Yeah, but I know it's not correct. But I
I'm
cannot
just
go
trying.
back.
I'm just trying to wrap my mind around.
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm first time here. I cannot think
It.
for you.
It's my first time here too, bro.
But for you easy. For you easy. Because
Oh, it's easy.
for you easy.
Really?
Just because I can speak English a little.
So
When I
do
come
you
here-
have a CDL?
Yeah.
I have a CDL. So why is it easy for me? We have the same CDL.
Yeah. Four language. Four language.
Oh, it's language.
Before I cannot open this door and.
Well, I know I couldn't understand the security card either. Is that the problem, or you just not?
Sir. What you want?
No, I'm gonna have to pull up, but you're gonna have to.
Sorry, look. Wait. Security told me you cannot park it, go inside or outside, but I cannot.
He
go
told
outside.
me the same thing, and I backed up properly. And then I backed up and then backed up again, so I'm where I can back in easily. So we're not taking all day.
Yeah. You also told me here, and I'm looking not parking.
It's my first time here too, bro. This is just trucking 101.
I know it's parking not correct, but sometimes.
I'm just trying to figure it out, but I don't know. Good luck getting out of there, because like even after I move, you're gonna have a hard time. So good luck. You go in through the gate. This area right here, they told us we couldn't park here. It was hard to understand the security guard. But this guy, that's me. You know, I'm straight, I'm parked, I'm ready to go, rock and roll. This guy, I was just trying to figure out what he was thinking. Like, I don't know, maybe they do this wherever he's from. I don't know. It was hard to understand him.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.